Hi friends, welcome back to MX Decor. This is one of my favorite videos. Literally, while composing this video, I enjoyed each and every part of it. Here in this video, you will get the best wooden wall designs for your home walls and a guide to decorating your rooms with a wooden wall. We'll also give you detail about 10 attractive wooden wall designs for your home. I will also give answers to some queries that come into your mind about wooden wall designs. So don't skip any part of video. Friends, before gonna start, please subscribe my channel so you don't miss more interesting videos that will come soon. Also mention in comment you are watching from which country and which design you like. Now get right into the video. Wooden wall design for the living room and other rooms of your home gives a peaceful ambience and aesthetic touch. The right selection of wooden wall designs add an extra element of beauty and spreads a comforting vibe in your room. With the best wooden wall designs, you can set up a unique home decor theme for the living room and other rooms. The wooden wall design can give different moods and tones to the home decor. You can choose a particular shade, color and shape of the wooden design to create a suitable environment. When choosing the best wooden wall design for the living room and other rooms, you need to consider the other home decor elements as well. The wooden wall designs are simple yet showcase some excellent features to give a modern outlook to the rooms. You can create more lively, vibrant and subtle settings for the rooms. Here are the top wooden wall designs for the walls for your rooms. Slat wooden wall design. The slat wooden wall design gives an attractive look to your living room and provides a well-defined air. The slat wooden wall design is often used in luxurious hotels and villas. Using the slat wooden wall design style for your home allows you to give a unique touch to the home decor. The slat wooden wall design gives a calm and natural look to the overall home decor of the slat wooden wall design. Another specialty of the slat wooden wall design is that it can easily become the focal point of the room. Besides, the wall design can be easily made by following simple steps. Now the second one is wooden planks wall design. The wooden planks wall design consists of vertically and horizontally arranged wooden strips. The wall design helps in creating a pleasing living room space. You can further vary the texture of the wood to set a particular tone to the wooden plank wall design. The wooden planks used can be set into different sizes and shapes that will further look impressive on the room's wall. Also, you can vary the color and the finish of the wood to give a particular feel to the room's decor. Now the third one is block wooden wall design. The block wooden wall designs has recently become popular and used widely for the room's wall designs. The design looks vivid with the perfect use of light on the wooden wall. The arrangements of the blocks systematically and textures variations can help you set the right mood for your room's design. The dimensions of the wooden blocks play an important role in reflecting the right wooden wall design style. The other geometrical shapes can also be used along with the wooden blocks by keeping the right balance between the shapes. Shiplap wooden wall design. Shiplap is one of the best modern wooden wall designs for the living room and for the other rooms. Shiplap wooden wall. The design gives a quite simple design that can go with almost every living room decor. The shiplap wooden wall designs also come with fine lining that is visually appealing. This wall design gives good design compatibility with other elements of the home decor. With shiplap wooden wall design, you can set up the subtle home decor style by maintaining a perfect design balance. Now the fourth one is plain soothes wooden wall design. The plain and smooth wooden wall design gives an even and shiny appearance to the living room and other rooms' walls. The design is perfect to evoke a serene living room essence. The best way to explore the plain smooth wooden wall design is to use the appropriate color combination. The natural color combinations with light shades can light up the room's wall. Now the fifth one is flat panels wooden wall design. The flat panel wooden wall designs offer a polished, shiny appearance to the rooms. There are a range of flat panels wooden wall designs that can perfectly match your living room wall design requirements and other rooms. Another advantage you get with a flat panel wooden wall design is the freedom to use the colors. Since the design is minimalist, you can try out various colors to give a perfect room ambience. Old wood texture wooden wall design. On the sixth number, the old wooden texture wall design gives the vintage look to the rooms. The old wood texture sets up the quiet and relaxing mood in the rooms. You can vary the textures of the wooden wall design to set up the desired theme for the room's decor. While using the old wooden wall designs for the rooms, you also need to ensure there is the right balance between the other rooms' home decor items. Beadboard wooden wall designs. The beadboard wooden wall design is known for its significant attractiveness qualities. Though the design is simple, it gives a refreshing outlook to the rooms. The beadboard wooden wall design is preferred to keep the complete uniformity for design on the room's wall. Generally, the beadboard wooden wall design gives a traditional yet impressive look to the room design. Now the seventh one is dark wooden wall designs. The dark wooden wall designs gives a vibrant home decor style to the living room. The dark theme of the wooden wall is perfect where there is a need to perfectly match the other dark elements of the home decor. The dark wooden wall designs are best suitable to give a lively theme to the living rooms. Now the last one is abstract wooden wall designs. The abstract wooden wall designs stand out for these artistic creativity. The abstract wooden wall designs are captivating and became the center of the attraction of the entire room. You can choose the wooden wall designs to give a special touch to the entire abstract wooden wall design. Now come to the questions that come into your mind. Now the first query is how to choose the best wooden wall designs. The right approach while choosing the wooden wall design is to first determine which mood, tone or theme is desired for the rooms, and after choosing the colors, shape and textures of the wooden wall design should be selected. Second query is, are wooden wall designs effective? Now the answer is the wooden wall designs are simple but give excellent design features to the rooms. Third one is, which is the cost? What is the cost of the wooden wall designs? The cost of the wooden wall designs depend on the type of wood, textures and the customizations done on the wooden wall design. Another question is, what is the life expectancy of wooden wall design? And the answer is, the life expectancy of wooden wall design depends on the type of wooden wall used for the wooden wall design. Now that's all for now. If any question that come into your mind, you can also ask me in comments. I will give you answer to that. I hope this video is very helpful in decorating your home wall decor with wooden designs. If you like my effort, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.